Assalamu alaikum everyone. My name is Sayyid Abdul Momin, and today I am with one of my old friends, Kamran Wani. So we are here in Doodh Ganga Resort. So this place is, I think, 20 kilometers away from Srinagar, and from here we have a beautiful place called Yusmarg, right?
Yes, absolutely.
So this place is in Kashmir. So if people want to enjoy, want to go for some adventure, they can come to Doodh Ganga Resort, and they can go from here to Yusmarg, right?
Yes,
So this place is very beautiful, and we have a mesmerizing beauty here. We have these forest pine trees. We have a green grass around, and we feel that inner peace here.
absolutely.
So here we are in this video, and I would like to introduce my friend who is the owner of this Doodh Ganga resort also. His name is Kamran Wani, and he may share some, some business tips with all of you, so that you can earn money as soon as possible through a legal way.
Yeah, thank you, Mumin. Absolutely, that's right. That I might give you business ideas, but the only thing you can do is to just get up and do it.
First, wait, please. Before I will introduce you, Mr. Kamran. So right now he is the owner of one of the hotels here in the nearby resort Yusmarg. So he established his business around 5 years ago, right? So now after that he invested his money in a lot of businesses like small industries and other businesses, and now he is putting his money in hotel business. So around, I think, he's a millionaire, so thanks to god for that. So he will give you some ideas, and maybe I too might have some ideas I will share with you.
Yeah, absolutely, Mumin. The first thing in business is that you need to have an idea. So we are not here to give you an idea, but we are here you to give a step that will make an idea inside of your mind that how to do a business. What is business actually? In short words, we can say when you sell anything and receive profit out of it, that's a business. It can be a shopkeeper, it can be a bigger businessman like Ambani. So, first of all, I can say that you need to create an idea inside your mind that how can I start a business? How much money do you have? What ideas can you put in the area that require that type of business? For example, if you are selling winter coats in summer, that's not gonna run. Absolutely not.
Yeah, that's true. That's
So
not gonna run.
first, you need to, I can say, you need to take a survey of the area, or you can take a survey from people, what they want. You need to take, or you need to know what's the demand in the area you are going to
See,
establish your business.
if we talk about here Kashmir, it's a northern state in India,
Absolutely.
and it's a winter. We have a winter season here, and we have a lot of Muslim community here who eat a lot of meat here. So here the most the most demand, we have a demand of meat.
Absolutely.
So if you are interested in meat business, sheep business, that's a good idea.
Absolutely.
Absolutely. So people, we grow here apples. If you are interested in that, you can grow apples, you can sell them, you can buy them, whatever. For we have a different crops here like saffron. We have different products here like shawl and other things.
Yes,
So
absolutely.
you can do business, and the best business I think here is the tourism business in Kashmir. If we talk about Kashmir, so around India, you can invest in different restaurants, you can start cloud kitchen, you can
Absolutely.
start other stuff.
That's a good idea, cloud
Yeah,
kitchen.
yeah, so you can start other stuff, you can create your own app, and you can start business over there. You can buy products from another company and sell on your own app. That's also a good idea. But you need to focus on one thing. You do not need to be distracted. So you need to start from the scratch. Like you have to start with small investment. Like if you have 10 to 20k rupees, you can start from that also.
Yeah, absolutely right.
uh, may I know, to say, are you agree with this?
Yes, yes, yes. I absolutely agree with this because see, Kashmir has a lot of and a huge land
That's
which is
true.
unused.
Hmm.
So we can use different crops. For example, nowadays Kashmiris use different crops such as Italy. We can say Italy plants, and even Kashmiris now invest in strawberries. They,
True.
they grow strawberries. That's a good business. You can pack them and you can sell them. You can even start your we can say doorbell, or we can say home delivery service for that. You can start a cloud kitchen. You can sell ice creams. You can sell different dishes that you can make or you can create. It's not necessary that you need to sell the same item that other people are selling. You need to sell maybe different things. You can add something. You can add spices.
True.
Different. There are a lot of ideas. So only thing that you need to do is and create an idea in mind and wake up
To the
early.
reality.
Wake up to the reality and wake up early and start doing something.
True.
We also struggled with that in
Yeah.
earlier ages.
Yeah, that's true.
We were just saying, we need to do a business, but we were not starting it. We were not investing. We were not even reading about it. We were not getting knowledge about it. What is business? The small thing we need to know is that when you, for example, when you introduce something in
I can
market,
say, see, here in this video, I can say, I have been doing, I mean to say, a job, corporate job from last 2-3 years. But I found one thing, that you are just like a slave there.
absolutely.
So they are treating you as a slave, and they are earning a lot of money from you. But it's better if you start your own stuff and start doing something, then it is better
And
for
give
you
employment to others also.
to give employment to others.
To
Like you
those who don't have experiences, who are freshers, who are not educated also.
that's completely true. And after
We
that,
can say it is a
you
deed.
can tell them that you too can start business when you have a money in your pocket, right?
Absolutely.
So we have a different ideas. You can, if you have a money, just start today. Start, keep something in your mind. See, no one is gonna get jobs here in Kashmir. Around in India, we don't have that much of jobs. We have, I mean to say, millions of people who are unemployed, right?
Yeah,
So
absolutely.
we should look for some different thing
Even
now.
even if people think that if they are applying forms for jobs,
Mm.
that's also business, because they are you are paying around 100 to 200 fee for the form to
Mhm.
just give an exam of a job. But if you check a reality, crores of people give exams and pay 100 rupees fee or 200 rupees fee. That becomes, if 200 into crore people are just only paying fee for forms, that's lot of money, man. That's a lot of money for the government.
Yeah, that's
And
lot of money
only
for
few,
government.
only lakh, not even lakh, even only 1,000 people get selected there. I mean, that's the business for government, man.
So we should be, I mean to say, we should think upon, I mean to say, we should think on these things, and we should start doing something. So our last suggestion will be, so if you have any other questions, you can ask in the comment section,
Comment.
and we can give you different ideas, and we can teach you how to deal with, I mean to say, how to deal with the different businesses, how to manage the expenses, how to save your money, how to invest that money in different products, different
How
businesses,
to make a network with people.
how to make a network with people. So if anyone is needs help in job and other things, you can comment here and we can help you on that.
Yeah, absolutely.
So your last words, Mr. Kamran.
Just I wanna say that's all, and I believe in my people and myself and my friend too, that we can do something better and we can be.
We can change the future. We can
we
change
can
the future of
We are the
Kashmir.
generation, man.
See, I have a last word here. I see many people here in Kashmir, or they don't have job. They want job. I mean, so they want 10k rupees job. They want 20k rupees job. Listen, my brothers and sisters, you have that much of potential which others don't have, which rest of the world don't have. You can do amazing things in your life.
Absolutely.
So you need to stand, you need to wake up, you need to do the stuff, you need to put the bad sheets away, you need to come away from the sleep that you have been sleeping from last 10 years. So you have to start doing work. You have to start building industries here. You need to make this Kashmir beautiful and a great place to live. So everyone should be happy here. That's
Yeah,
it. And
absolutely.
your last thing,
You need to put work in. That's it. Three
Work
words.
in.
Put work in.
that's,
That's
it.
it. Thank you. Bye bye.
See you.
Take care.